Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all having a great day and I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use a bicycle kick in EA's FC Mobile 24. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm not currently in any game and I won't be in this video, so I'll try to explain everything verbally as best as I can, since I cannot actually make the recording work. I have some problems with that. I hope you don't mind. However, in short, what a bicycle kick is, it's pretty much a kick where a player that got a ball passed to them jumps and kicks the ball and tries to kick it into the goal. And the way you want to do this is, of course, first you want to be leading the ball as a separate player. And if you're close to the goal, you want to pass to a player that is closer to the goal than the player you are leading the ball with. And what you want to do when you're actually passing the ball is make sure the ball is in the air. Optimally, it should be around chest height, since that is the height at which you can actually do a bicycle kick at. And once you pass, make sure that you immediately input a kicking control after you have passed the ball, which you can do by just swiping right towards the goal. But yeah, pretty much timing is the most important factor here. You want to make sure that it is at chest level. Use more power if you're passing from a further distance. If you're closer, use less. And yeah, as soon as you pass the ball to another player, just swipe to the right and your ball should be passed to that other player, and that player should then just automatically jump and kick the ball into the goal. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you don't mind that I didn't show you any footage. However, you should have gotten everything from my explanation. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video.